Bikaram Chatterjee versus Union. In the major relief of thousands of home buyer, Apex Court cancelled the registration of Amarpali Group under the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016 and directed the National Building Construction Corporation take over its pending construction project in Greater Noida and Noida. The bench found that Amarpali Group had shipment of Homer buyer money with the convenience of the Greater Noida and Noida authorities. The court has directed the Enforcement Directorate to initiate action under a Prevention of Money Laundering Act and a Foreign Exchange Management Act against Amarpali director and authorities and update the court with process of proof with the period reports. I'm telling you all the judgment which relevant point was passed by the judges. Pioneer Urban Land and Infrastructure Limited versus Union of India. Treating home buyer as a financial creditor under IBC not unconstitutional. Dismissing a bench of petition filed by nearly 200 relators, the Supreme Court upheld the amendment made to the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 218 to treat a home buyer as a financial creditor. The Supreme Court held that the amendment do not violated Article 14 and 19 subclause A and G of Constitution and rejected the argument that they are arbitrary, unreasonable, excessive and disappropriate. DV College Trust and Management Society was a director of public instruction. The NGO substantially financed by government amendable RTI Act. In the important judgment delivered, Supreme Court has held that non-government organization NGO substantially financed, whether directly or indirectly by the appropriate treatment, fall within the ambition of public authority. Under a Section 2H of Right Information Act 215, the bench held that so will consider appeal filed by college or association running the college and or school. The next, Union of India and Tarsim Singh. Section 13J of National Highway Act, to the extent it excluded solitary interest as per the Land Acquisition Act unconstitutional. The Supreme Court has declared Section 3J of National Highway Act 1956 to the extent it excluded solitude and interest as per the Land Acquisition Act 1894 to acquisition done under the NH Act to be unconstitutional. Union of India State of Maharashtra. Central review against dilution of SC Act allowed. A three benches allowed a central petition seeking review of its March 2080 judgment, which had virtually diluted provision arrested under the SC/ST Act. The court absorbed that power under Article 142 of Constitution could not have been exercised to pass a direction against the statute. The two judges' bench should not have framed guidelines as it is within legislature domain to do so, the court said. They absorbed that the protective nature of Act was necessary in view of the abusing of which people from the marginalized communication are being subjected to. P. Chidambaram CBI. The bail granted to P. Chidambaram in CBI cases in INX media scam. In the judgment granted bail to P. Chidambaram in INX media case, the Supreme Court made certain pertinent observations regarding the practice of court relying on sealed covered documents produced by prosecution during a bail hearing. The Supreme Court edited that recording of fines based on sealed over documents submitted by prosecution as if the offence has been committed, and using of such fines to delay bail would be against the concept of fair trial. Indore Development Authority versus Manohar Lal. Justice Arun Mishra non recusal from Indore Development Authority case. In a controversy order, Justice Arun Mishra stated that he will not rescue from handling the Constitution bench, which was formed to decide the correctness of inspiration given to Section 24(2) of the New Land Acquisition Act. By 280 Indore Development Authority case, the petitioner, the next point, the petitioner in the case sought his recusal, contending that there was apprehension bias as Justice Mishra had authorized the 218 which was under reference. Next, M. Siddiqui through Alas versus Mahan Suresh Das. Ayodhya Babri Masjid dispute. In the